Hey everyone, so my hair is all prepped and ready to go. So my hair is in about 6 large sections and I'm just going to work with one. I'm going to untwist it and put in my products like I normally would when I do just a regular twist out. Now I already did some, that's why those two twists are already there, but what I'm doing, and I'm taking a small section from the section I was just working with and I'm kind of running my fingers through it, but mainly I'm just stretching it downwards and I'm going to stretch it forward so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to grab it right where I want to cut it and snip snip, that's it. Then I'm just going to twist it up like I would normally twist up my hair for a twist out. So I'm going to show you guys one more time just to make sure you guys got it, but it really is that easy. I'm just stretching the hair down and I'm trimming away those ends. And boom, you have nice, healthy feeling ends. And that's all I do. And my ends feel so good after. I love trimming my hair, honestly. It feels so good. So I'm just moving throughout my head. I know they tell you that you're supposed to trim your ends every 3 to 6 months, but nah, I don't do that. I just, honestly, I listen to my hair. I can tell when I need to trim, and I just trim it when it needs to be trimmed. Just honestly listen to your hair. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how I know I desperately need a trim. So keep on watching. I'm honestly really trying to cut out the brown that's in my hair. So yeah, because it's looking kind of crazy. This is just how I always trim my hair ever since I went natural, because I don't trust nobody with a pair of scissors near my head. I've had very traumatic experiences. So, I just started doing it myself, and this is what always worked for me. When you trim your ends, you're going to retain more length and, healthy hair all 2018. That's the goal. Okay, so in this section, I'm not going to trim anything because I want you guys to see how I know I need a trim. You can see, look how tangled my hair gets. My hair gets so tangled when I need a trim. Like, no, and my ends don't curl. Like, that is not cute. Okay, so I'm going to go cut this off camera. And boom, that's it. My ends feel so great and so healthy. Yo, who do I think I am? I'm not cute. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I'm so excited. I feel very awkward, actually. I'm talking to a camera, but it's cool. I don't have any friends anyway. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. This channel is gonna be, I don't really know what it's gonna be, to be completely honest. I just want it to be all things hair, all things beauty, all things creative, all things just, I want it to be a reflection of the things that I'm passionate about. I want it to be all things that just inspire me to pick up a camera and capture it. So I'm going to be working hard. I'm going to be growing. This is my first video, so please bear with me. I am cringing as I watch back some of the film as I watch back some of the film that I am editing, it's very painful. It's very painful. But you know, one day we'll get there. But yeah. My name is Angelique. Y'all can call me Beyonce if you really want to.
Beyonce. You know who you really look like?
Just kidding. Okay, that was dumb. I've been trying to amp myself up to make a YouTube for a while, and people have like joked around with me and said, "Oh, make a YouTube." I'm like, haha. No. But in my head, I'm like, I wish I could. I was being a punk, to be honest. Like, I don't know. But I'm trying to work on. 2018 is really about putting yourself out there, getting out of your comfort zone. I always try to be uncomfortable, because being uncomfortable, good things come out. Well, good things come out of being uncomfortable. Did you feel me? So yeah, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Shout out to everybody that subscribes, commented all your nice things. I really appreciate you guys. It's cold.